everyone, it's Penelope. It's early Thursday, Friday morning? Yeah, it's Friday. I have no idea. Okay, so I went to JayC early this morning and did a couple of deals, and I'm going to show you what I got. I did get 2 more of the 10-pound bags of the Thai jasmine rice for $4.99 a piece for my preps. I got 5 of the Snuggle 40 load for 99 cents a piece. I got 5 of the All super small and mighty stain lifter 42 loads for 99 cents. The Barilla oven ready lasagna is 99 cents, and I'm getting smacked. You better behave, little missy. Behave. Okay, the fudge striped cookies were on sale for $1.29. I had $1 digital, which made them 29 cents. I went ahead and got me some sour cream little donuts for 99 cents. Bread, 95 cents. The blueberries were $2.99. The orange juice with calcium was $2.29. I found these wonderful juices. These are cranberry raspberry, and they were marked down to 99 cents a piece. Got 5 of those. Now, here are my freebies. I got the Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce and the Sweet Baby Ray's wing barbecue sauce. All of these were on sale for 99 cents. I had $1 off for each one of these. Well, these were actually, it was a $3 off